Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we can talk about Project Lombok. Project Lombok is a Java library that automatically plugins into IDE. It is used to remove or minimize the boilerplate code by providing annotations. That means it helps to reduce the boilerplate code in the classes like getter methods, setter methods, constructors, toString method, and equals and hashcode methods, and so on. Instead of writing this code manually, Lombok uses annotations to generate them at compile time. And the real advantage of Project Lombok is it saves time and makes our code clean. Next, Lombok annotations. @no args constructor annotation. It generates default or zero parent constructor. Next, all args constructor. It generates all parameters constructor. Next, getter. This annotation used to generate get methods for the fields. Setters. It generates set methods for the variables. ToString. This annotation overrides the ToString method in the class. Equals and hashcode annotation. Equals method and hashcode methods overridden in the class. Required args constructor and non-null. Generates selected variable constructor. Next, data annotation. @data annotation is the combination of required args constructor annotation, getter, setter, and equals and hashcode annotations. Instead of writing these annotations, simply we can declare @data annotation on top of class like that. Next, we can download and install Lombok. For that, simply we can go to this website and we can download the jar. Okay, let's go to browser. Search with Lombok maven dependency. Lombok maven dependency. Hit enter. Choose first one. This is mvnrepository.com, means maven repository. Click on that. See, this is Project Lombok. See, I'm selecting latest version. Click on that. Here we have one file that is jar. Click on the jar file. See, download it. Let's go to its location. Let's copy this jar. And here I'm creating one folder that is Lombok. Open this folder. Paste here the jar. This is the address bar. Here we can open command prompt. Type cmd. Yes, this is command prompt. I want to execute this jar. Let's copy the name. If you want to execute the command, we will use the syntax java space -jar space jar name dot jar. For example, java space -jar space jar name dot jar. This is the name of the jar, that is Lombok 1.18.42. Let's go to command prompt. Here java space -jar space paste that copied jar name. Hit enter. See, this is a Lombok window. See here, it is scanning your devices for IDE installations. Means it is automatically scanning. Otherwise, you can specify locations. Click on that and go to the locations. For example, C drive, we have softwares. Yeah, this is STS code 25. Select this IDE. Click on select. See, like this. Click on install or update. See, install successful. Like this, we can download and install Lombok. Let's test our Lombok is working as expected or not. Okay, let's move to STS IDE. Here I'm creating simple maven project. File, new, maven project. Create a simple project. Click here. Next, this is group ID, com.swami. Artifact ID, that is 06, Lombok app. See, now the project is getting created. Open pom.xml file. Here we can add one tag that is dependencies. It is giving suggestions. Go to browser and copy Lombok dependency. Yeah, here I'm copying this dependency. Paste here. This is the Lombok dependency. Save and close this window. Here we need to update maven project. Right click on the application. See, this is maven. Update project. Click on force update on snapshots. Click OK. See, go to maven dependencies. This is Lombok jar. Go to src main java. Here I'm creating one class. Simply I'm creating one employee class. Giving package name com.swami. Declaring some fields like private, integer id, private string name, private string email. See, these are the variables. Let's open this. See, these are the variables. Instead of writing zero argument constructor, parameterized constructor, getter methods and setter methods, simply we can use Lombok annotations. On top of class, I'm using setter annotation. Whenever we declared the annotation, all the setter methods will be available here. I'm writing at the rate setter. See, these are the setter methods. And I'm using at the rate getter annotation. See, these are the getters. Using all argument constructor. See, this is all argument constructor. No argument constructor. See, this is a zero argument constructor. And I'm using equals and hash code. See, this is equals and hash code. Instead of writing these annotations, simply we can declare using at the rate data annotation. Like that. Observe here, whenever I'm commenting this annotation, the required methods will be removed here. Here I'm commenting data annotation. See, all the required methods are removed from the class. Whenever I'm uncommenting this data annotation, see here, the required methods got added here. Like that, we can use Lombok annotations. Mainly this Lombok annotation is used to reduce the boilerplate code in the classes. Simply we can use these annotations instead of manually writing those methods. This is all about Project Lombok. Okay, I will see you in the next video.